My name is Istalin Hashi Botan. I'm a female Uber driver, Muslim hijabi, and I joined the team about 2 years ago. I'm visible because of my hijab. That's why sometimes I'm scared. When I don't feel good, I don't work. When I don't feel it's not safe, I just decide to stay. I don't like to hear there's an incident in the underground or whatever happened and a Muslim doing it. Even somebody else, whether they're Christian or Muslim, both of them are the same to me. Whoever is bad is bad. There's one day I met one guy, it was when there was an attack in London, somewhere in the tube. So he just came in and he asked about my religion. Say, "Are you Muslim? There's an incident in somewhere in West London. I think you are responsible." Which I try to explain to him. No, I can't be responsible for what happened. So he was so angry. From Africa, they say, "Why are you working? Why? Where's your husband?" Some of them. I say, "You're working, I'm working, so it doesn't make whether I'm a female or you're a man, it's same. So you're earning, I have to earn as well." Yeah. Hi, Nafisa. How's the school today? Good. Yeah, was it good? I chose Uber because of the time. It's flexible, do anytime. You can start anytime, you can leave anytime. Because I'm a mother and I drop the children to school, I have to pick them up. Your food, Kaga. Go. Take your food. Usually I work from 8:30 to 3 o'clock, Monday to Friday. And weekends I start late, about 5 in the evening, finish about 1 o'clock. Yeah. This is Patrick. I'm gonna pick up Patrick. Oh, you're going to France?
Yes.
I met a guy from France. He said, "Oh my God, you are hijabi and you are driving or you are a taxi. It's amazing. That's why I love London."
To come to London to see Celia.
Good stuff, isn't it?
Yes.
Ah, Faiza. Oh, mashallah. How are you?
I'm fine.
How's the job?
The job is good.
How's Uber?
I'm doing well.
Mashallah. I've encouraged a lot of my friends. I'm the one who told her to join me. Yeah,
Right.
yeah. I told her to join because I thought there are less taxi drivers for ladies. Women have to join Uber or come to join the team. When I work at late time, ladies, they feel more safe when they see me, and they shout, "Yeah, it's a lady, it's an Uber lady. We're gonna go home safe." And they give me 5 stars.
Yeah, it's true.
Maybe have you ever had Uber female driver?
I think I have it.
Yeah.
I think I have maybe once or twice before, but yeah, I guess it was a surprise.
I will go right, then turn left. I will stop next to the train station. You want to go to the underground?
Yeah.
Ah, okay. I know where I will drop you. Don't worry. I had ladies who are from some other countries, from Saudi Arabia, which they were amazed when they see me. Say, "Oh my God, you're Uber lady." Yeah, how come? I say, "Yeah, this is Europe." They encourage me, motivation, and I feel good. sometimes I work long hours, but when I see people like that, I don't feel like I'm working long hours.
Who looks after your kids when you're working?
Yeah, I have my daughter. She helps me.
Is she a bit older than the other
Yeah,
kid?
she's 25.
Oh, okay. And then have you got like a lot younger?
Yeah, two, 15 and 12.
Okay, so she helps looking after
Yes,
you.
yes. Usually they give me 5 stars, so my rating is high. Here is the feedback from the riders. So thank you being so warm and friendly. You have a beautiful heart. Lovely person. Thank you for my lovely ride to the station. Great to see a female driver. When things are good, I'm happy. Yeah, I'm happy. So and I enjoy my work. You know, there's nothing to fear. Yeah, but when there's attack, it's different case.